The Enugu State government has announced a major investment push earmarking 10 billion naira for a vehicle manufacturing program that will see 2,100 new taxis assembled right in Enugu. According to the Commissioner for Budget and Planning, Chidera Ozongu, the vehicles will support both the state's youth empowerment scheme and the distress response squad, the special police unit responsible for rapid security intervention. Ozongu expressed confidence that the 2026 budget will outperform 2025, pointing to Governor Peter Umba's private sector-driven approach to governance. It revealed that 51.1% of the budget has been allocated to the economic sector, while 40.1% goes to the social sector, a clear signal of the administration's priority on economic growth and human capital development. According to him, the state achieved about 85% performance in the previous year and expects to hit 90% performance in the coming year. Ozongo urged investors to look towards Enugu, describing the state as a growing economic hub where investments are safe and returns are wonderful. He said Enugu is fast becoming a feel-good state and called on businesses to join the success story. You're watching Flip TV News. Stay informed and stay empowered.